I arrived at Duke in January of 1973 to begin my residency in psychiatry, and I've been at Duke ever since. Well, I really had a career that is typically the four-legged stool. I was into research, education, administration, and I was into clinical practice. I guess the most important position I filled was that of Dean of Medical Education. And one of the things I was most proud of during that time was that we were able to double the number of underrepresented minority students in the medical school class. I received the award back in the early 1980s, what was called the Alex Haley Award in Gerontology. I was the second person to receive it. It came from the Alex Haley Gerontology Center. There's a young hand reaching up and there's an older hand coming down, and that's a very treasured award. As terms of my clinical practice, it was something I never gave up. I loved my patients. I followed many of them for decades. A lot of times we were just catching up and they were almost like family. I'm married. I've been married for over 55 years. Love of my life. And we have two children, Trey, who is an associate professor of surgery at Duke. I have a daughter. She's a social worker. She works in the emergency department at UNC. I'm so thankful for the individuals that have come into my life. I'm thankful for the intellectual stimulation, getting an idea and having the opportunity to develop that idea into a paper or a book. I can honestly say that I am very pleased with the way my career ended. I've encouraged a lot of people. I said, think about your careers and how you want them to end in such a way that you can feel good about your career.